Here we got a 1954 Chevrolet Corvette. Back then, they had a 6-cylinder, 150 horsepower. Nowadays, you can't think of a Corvette having a 6-cylinder, but maybe one day they will have a 6-cylinder again.
I don't know, maybe won some money. So somebody gave me $100.
2-speed power glide.
You had to write a registration ticket. If you wanted to donate part or all of that money back to the cause, that would be wonderful.
It's one of my favorite designs. Look at that, 160. I wonder if it did that.
We have another winner turnout, so if you have the registration number to car 134, car 134, please come on up to the table.
C8R edition. Yeah, that's a very interesting trailer. Corvette with a towing package. I believe this one's a C2. Here we have another C6 Corvette.
Car number 134. Registration 134. Please come on up to the table and claim your $100.
C7. I like that lip. Unfortunately for mine, my driveway, I couldn't use those, it would scrape, but I like that. It looks really nice. Same thing with that side skirt.
We're going to give you the money and you're going to give it back to the cause, and you will get a receipt and you can deduct the $100 from your taxes.
And the engine.
Check out this C7 convertible, orange LT3.
I like the orange.
Here's the engine on the back.
We have another winner. You have dash registration 071.